Welcome to Eden Vatika. The very first thing you'll see after signing up is the setup screen. Eden Vatika needs to know where you are so it can give you personalized planting schedules, specific to your climate, not just generic advice. You have two ways to set your location. The quick way, tap Detect My Location and Eden Vatika will find the nearest city automatically. Or, if you prefer to do it manually, select your country from the drop-down, then start typing your city or region. As you type, matching options will appear. Once your city is selected, Eden Vatika automatically detects your hardiness zone. This is a standard climate rating that tells the app how cold your winters get. It drives everything from frost warnings to planting dates. Hit Next when you're ready. Step 2 lets you fine-tune. Your zone is pre-filled, but you can change it here if you know better. Below that are two date fields, last frost in spring and first frost in fall. These are automatically estimated from your zone, so most people can leave them as is. But if you know your local frost dates, enter them here. The more accurate these are, the better your planting reminders will be. If you are unsure, just leave them blank. Eden Vatika will estimate from your zone. Tap Continue to move on. This third step appears for pro and trial users. Eden Vatika auto-generates care tasks every time you add a plant, watering reminders, fertilizing schedules, weeding, pruning, and pest control. Here you can turn off the types you don't need. For example, if you use drip irrigation or don't want regular watering reminder, you can uncheck watering. If you use mulch, uncheck weeding. Harvest and transplant reminders are always generated and can't be turned off. Don't worry, you can change any of these later in settings. Tap Finish Setup and you are in. This is your dashboard, your daily command center. At the very top is the Eden Vatika header. On the right is your profile avatar. On desktop, clicking it opens a drop-down with links to your profile, My Seeds, My Custom Plants, Settings, and Logout. On mobile it takes you directly to your profile page. Just below the header you get a personal greeting with today's date context. Simple, but it sets the tone. This is your garden, and this is where you manage it every day. Right below that are 4 quick stat tiles. These are your garden at a glance. Plants, the number of plants currently growing, seeded, or transplanted across all your beds. Tap it to go to My Plantings. Beds, how many active garden beds you have set up. Tap it to go to the Garden Planner. Tasks, the total number of pending tasks. If any are overdue, the number turns red and shows how many are late. Tap it to go to your to-do list. Harvests, your all-time harvest count. Every time you log a harvest, this number goes up. Tap it to see your harvest history in the journal. Next is your garden progress. This is Eden Vatika's milestone system. There are 6 core badges you can earn by hitting real milestones, adding your first plant, completing tasks, logging harvests, and more. The progress bar shows how many of the 6 you've earned. Each badge lights up with its color when unlocked and shows the date you earned it. If you are on the free plan, tap the small info button next to the section title. It reveals a reward. Earn all 6 badges and you unlock the Garden Master badge, which comes with a free month of Pro. No payment needed. It's Eden Vatika's way of rewarding active gardeners. If you've earned all 6, a special Gold Garden Master banner appears just below, with a crown icon and the date you achieved it. These 2 cards give you fast access to 2 of Eden Vatika's core tools. Journal, tap here to see your garden timeline, tasks completed, harvests logged, observations, photos. Everything your garden has been through, in one scroll. Identify, tap here to open the AI plant identifier. Take a photo of any plant or leaf and Eden Vatika will tell you what it is. Great for identifying mystery seedlings or diagnosing problems. Below that is the weather widget, one of the most useful parts of the dashboard. It pulls live weather for your location. At a glance you get the current temperature, today's weather condition, and, most importantly, a direct answer to, water today? This is yes, maybe, or no, based on current temperature, humidity, and upcoming rain. No more guessing. Below that are 4 quick stats, humidity, wind speed, UV index, and upcoming rain over the next 3 days. The watering reason line explains exactly why Eden Vatika made its recommendation. The daylight section shows sunrise and sunset times, total hours of daylight today, and whether days are getting longer or shorter, which directly affects which plants you should be starting. Pro users also get a full 7-day forecast right here. Free users see an upgrade prompt in that space. The temperature unit button in the top corner lets you switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Your preference is saved. The plant problems section is a quick launch panel for Eden Vaticka's care guides. If something looks wrong with your garden, tap the relevant category, watering issues, pest identification, or disease diagnosis, and you'll land on the right guide instantly. Tap all guides to browse everything. Plant this month is your seasonal planting radar. Based on your location and the current month, Eden Vaticka recommends the plants that are best started right now. Each card shows the plant icon, its difficulty level, easy, moderate, or hard, and a short reason why it's the right time to plant it. Tap any card to go to that plant's detail page. Tap View All to see the full seasonal list. Pro users see a smart recommendations section here, weather-triggered action cards. If there's a heat wave coming, you'll see a card to protect your seedlings. If heavy rain is forecast, there's a reminder to hold off on fertilizing. These are generated automatically and linked directly to your tasks page. The next section is split into two panels. On the left, today's tasks. These are tasks that are due today or overdue. Each task has a priority dot, red for high, amber for medium, blue for low. Click the checkbox to mark a task complete right from the dashboard. If weather suggests skipping a watering task, a blue, can skip today, button will appear on it. On the right, My Plants, a thumbnail grid of every plant currently growing in your garden, grouped by plant name. If you have a bed set up but haven't added plants yet, you'll see a prompt with a direct link to open that bed in the Garden Designer. At the bottom of the main content is the quick access strip, 5 shortcuts. Guide takes you to Eden Vaticka's growing guides. Journal goes to your timeline. Blog opens the Eden Vaticka blog. Profile goes to your account page. Settings takes you to your preferences. Finally, fixed at the bottom of every page is the main navigation bar. 5 tabs. Home, You're Here Now, the dashboard. Discover, browse all plants in the Eden Vaticka database, filter by category, season, or difficulty. My Garden, your garden planner, where you set up beds and see a bird's eye view of everything you're growing. To do, your full task list, with filters, overdue badges, and the ability to add manual tasks. Settings, manage your location, notification preferences, subscription, and task type preferences. That's your dashboard. Everything you need to run your garden is one tap away. As you add beds, plants, and complete tasks, every number on the screen updates to reflect exactly where you are. Let's start planting. See you in the next video.